do you have there?
Okra. Okra. We needed to harvest it on the few days. It was like this, like that.
Ooh,
Then
good
we
job,
have
boys.
some okra right here. And there.
Okay.
You want to see them?
Get it by your hand and then
Wow, nice
Yeah.
one. So we can eat now okra from your garden.
I will get some scissors.
Pagka-torny to.
Ha?
Pagka-torny.
Oh yeah, wait lang. Dapat may scissor kayo.
Or twist it.
Yes.
Dad, I found the Wi-Fi. Twist the okra stem.
Ah,
Twist
Show
the
it to Mom.
okra stem. Twist the okra stem.
What do you have? Wow. First harvest.
Harvesting. I don't